In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily upload a video on Google Drive and share the link using your mobile device. To get started, open up the Google Drive app, and then make sure you are logged into your Google account. After that, tap on the Files button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the plus button. And then tap Upload File. Then tap Photos and Videos. What you want to do next is choose the video you want to upload. Tap Upload. Once you've uploaded the video, tap on the three little dots next to it. And then tap on the Share option. And then tap on these three little dots at the top right. Tap Manage Access. What you want to do next is tap here. Tap Restricted. And then change this to Anyone with the link. Now anyone with the link can access the video. To get the video link, tap on this button at the top right. And it will copy the link to the clipboard. Now you can paste the link anywhere you want, and anyone who has that link can download your video. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.